Hello, my cookies. Today we're going to be making this delicious and super quick keto shrimp and grits. Let's cook. For our quote unquote grits, we're going to be using this frozen mashed cauliflower. Just follow the directions on the back and microwave it according to the cooking instructions. While that's cooking, we're going to work on our shrimp. I have these huge fresh Louisiana shrimp that I'm just going to season with some Cajun or Creole seasoning. I have heated my cast iron skillet, and to it I'm going to add some diced bacon and fry that until it's completely cooked. And then I'm going to remove the bacon, leaving the little grease there. It's not enough grease, so I'm going to add a little bit of Kerrygold butter. Once that melts, we're going to add in the minced garlic. Don't you dare burn my garlic. Okay, after a few seconds of sauteing the garlic, we can add in the shrimp. Now, I only cook the shrimp for about a minute or two per side. When the shrimp is completely cooked, go ahead and remove it and set it aside. Cover it with some foil to tint it and keep it warm. In that same pan, we're going to deglaze it with some chicken stock. Just pour that in and stir it, bringing it up to a simmer. I lost the clip, I'm sorry, but I also added in a little bit of lemon juice right here to give it some acidity. Now we're going to pour in the heavy cream and bring it up to a slight simmer. Here I'm adding some grated Parmesan cheese. Don't worry, the ingredients and measurements will be in that link in the description box, so click that. I'm also going to add some Cajun seasoning to taste and some onion powder. So just give that a good stir and allow it to simmer on low for 5 minutes. In a small bowl, add butter and shredded cheese of your choice. I'm using Monterey Jack. Now grab the mashed cauliflower, aka grits, from the microwave and pour that in. This is optional, but I'm going to add in some herbs de Provence seasoning. It's so good in grits and mashed cauliflower, and then we're going to mix it all together well. Now, it had just enough salt for me, but taste it and adjust the seasoning according to your taste. And now we serve. We're going to pour on that sauce. It's so good, y'all, with the shrimp. Then we didn't forget about the bacon crumbles. Put that on top with a little bit of fresh parsley and cookies. This keto shrimp and grits is so delicious. I actually prefer this over regular grits. Like, seriously, no lie. The recipe link will be down there in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this, cookies. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be blessed.